Welcome, friends, to Sheetal's World of Recipes. Today, we are going to make Sabudana flour or Atta. Sabudana, also known as Tapioca or Sago. It is mostly used during the fasting Vrat or Upvas time, like Navratri or Ekadashi. It's very easy to make. Let's see how to make the Sabudana flour. Here, I have taken 2 cups of Sabudana. Before roasting the sabudana, wipe the whole sabudana with a microfiber cloth to remove the dust from it. Roast the sabudana on medium to low flame for 5 minutes. We don't have to make it golden in color or brown in color. We have to just lightly roast it. Roasting the flour reduces the moisture from the sabudana, giving it a longer shelf life and helping to prevent the flour from spoiling. After 4 minutes off the stove, keep on stirring for 1 minute. Thereafter, we will remove in a plate to cool down. Put sabudana in the blender to make a fine powder. After it is completely cooled down, put a small amount of sabudana into the blender and only grind for around 30 seconds to a minute. Repeat the process until it becomes fine powder. Use a small amount and grind for a short time to avoid heat and stickiness. As shown beneath the fine powder, sift the blended sabudana through a fine mess sieve to separate the fine flour from any larger unground pieces. Repeat the process. We have to remember one thing that while mm, doing this process, we need a big plate or a big vessel so that it does not become messy. Our fine sabudana flour atta is ready. Let it cool down completely before storing in airtight container to avoid the mold. Friends, follow the tips and now you can make your own sabudana flour atta at home and enjoy during the fasting season like Navratri, Ekadashi. Also, you can make delicious dishes like roti, paratha, dosa, and many more from sabudana atta. For the new recipe, subscribe to my channel, Sheetal's World of Recipes. Like and share, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you all.